The process and the collaboration has been nothing short of exceptional from start to finish. And the biggest compliment I can pay to Devika is that I, as a non-technical founder, went from spending 90% of my time worrying and concerned about issues I have no control over, which is software and product, to spending 5% of my time worrying about those things because Devika have done such a good job in building the platform.
Yeah, so at Devika, we like to take the responsibility of the technology away from the client. Their job should solely be able to be focused on features, selling their product to clients and really proving it in the market. That way all the technical side and the delivery should be outside of the domain, and really that's what Devika helps control.
I'm David Talent, and I'm the co-founder and managing director of GoTo. Our mission is to connect job seekers, migrant workers with compliant employers anywhere in Australia. So I moved to Australia from the UK just over 4 years ago and realised that there wasn't a one-stop shop platform for international travellers to get everything they needed to live, work and travel in Australia. We outsourced the development to build the first version of the platform. After about 6 to 9 months, we realised that the things were not moving as quickly or as efficiently or as well as we wanted them to. And so we went through a long, drawn-out process of trying to find a development team that could successfully build the app for us in the way we wanted to.
So launching a product, it can be quite difficult, and it's a common occurrence for clients to come to us having previous failed attempts. Using our process within Devika to understand an MVP, bring back that scope to get to that launch product. Using that process is how we get to a goal and be able to launch a product for a client.
One of the issues we had with other teams was that it was really difficult to convey what we wanted from the product into a list of technical requirements and deliverables for the engineers. The benefit of working with Ken and in particular Byron is that we can articulate what we want from the product, and they will turn that into a list of clear deliverables, not only what we ask for, but what they think is best to achieve the outcome we want.
Devika are really flexible and really open-minded. And that is where the difference really comes through in terms of working with them as a partner. Their ideas flow, they collaborate, they're open to different perspective, and that's what's really required to be successful, finding the way through to deliver your ideas and convert them into something that is valuable. And that's what the Devika team really bring to the table.
I think the benefit for us with Baseline has been that it's given us 3 months worth of development work out of the box.
This allows us to really build the minimum functionality to go live with. It alleviates a lot of risk for clients, so we don't spend 6-12 months building a product that will go live and not have a market. So we like to get the MVP out the door as soon as possible and really start to learn from clients.
When we started to work with Devika, we had nothing but designs. And from the end of April to the end of August, we managed to launch the first version of our product, which since then has gotten amazing feedback.
We recommended AWS for GoTo. AWS is a very mature platform that allows us to deploy and configure all our technical environments on and provide a production-ready quality product that can be scalable globally.
Yeah, so since the platform launched and was hosted on AWS, we've had a phenomenal experience. It's never gone down, it's been completely bug-free, and given the compliments that Byron and the team at Devika have paid to it, I share those same thoughts and beliefs about it.
So with GoTo, we recommend them to use Stripe as a payment platform. With Stripe's maturity as a payment platform, its scalability and its production-ready quality, it allowed GoTo to not have to focus on any of those questions and really just focus on the features they want to build and go live with.
We launched with a business model that required employers to pay a small connection fee for every time they wanted to unlock the contact details for job applicants. We quickly realised that that wasn't a scalable or sustainable business model, and with the advice of Ken and Z, we changed that within a week to a self-service subscription-based model.
So using Stripe, it allowed us to change GoTo's business model within 50 lines of code. That is something that we could turn around within a day, ship it to production, and allow their business model to really go to its full potential.
And then in terms of Devika Ventures, I think the input from Ken and Z on business strategy and business model has also been tremendously valuable.
GoTo's biggest challenge had been finding the right technical partners, and given our technical background, we were able to give them very smart and strategic capital alongside their existing investor base. So I could give them not just the sort of capital requirements, but also add a lot of value to their business.
I mean, I see a long-term, long-lasting relationship, I hope, with Ken and Devika. The process we went through and the pain we went through to get live with various other teams and various other approaches was intolerable at times. And when we came across Devika and started to work with them, obviously there was a level of distrust and there was a level of skepticism. They proved that wrong almost immediately, and I was blown away by the capability, by the competence, by the enthusiasm to build what we'd started and conceptualized. And it's my sincere hope that we continue working with them as long as the app is in the stores.